Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can import existing wallet in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet. So once you open your MyEtherWallet, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on import existing wallet. After you do so, tap on restore with recovery phase which you had from your prior account. So tap on use recovery phase and type in the recovery phase and hit the restore button. Then you need to type in a PIN code number to unlock your wallet and type it in again to cross verify it. So once all these process is completely done, you will have your MyEtherWallet get restored in your device and you have been successfully imported your MyEtherWallet existing account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.